This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Christina Pyon. You will love this immaculate condo located in desirable Great Neck area. Open floor plan west/spacious kitchen, spacious living area and lots of natural light throughout, large master suite with walk-in closet, master bath with jetted tub, move-in ready. Condo fee includes exterior maintenance and sewer. Great location close to interstate, shopping, beaches and bases. Sought after Great Neck School District. For more information, review the details below.